When people know that a survey is anonymous, they're more likely to provide honest, useful feedback. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully anonymous survey so you can actually get real answers and collect more reliable data. In this tutorial, I'm going to use Cognito Forms, which is an online form builder that helps you create forms, but it also stores all of your submission data. As submissions come in, you can view your results, filter and sort it, export your data, and even trigger emails automatically. You can build as many forms as you need using the individual plan, which is free and includes up to 100 form responses a month. If you're planning to collect more than 100 form responses per month, or you need more complex automation features, you can check out the other plans. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and get you acquainted with the platform and how to get started. When you log into your dashboard, you'll see all of the forms that you create on your sidebar on the left. If you don't see your sidebar, just move your mouse to the left side of the screen and it'll appear. If you click this button, you can dock it for persistent access. To create a form, you can start from scratch, choose a pre-built template, or even generate one using AI. To show you how easy it is to create a form, I'll start from scratch. In this example, I'm going to create an employee satisfaction survey, so that's what I'll label it at the top. The first rule of creating an anonymous survey is pretty straightforward. Just don't ask for any identifying information. So don't include a name field, an email field, a phone number, address field, or a person field, which is specifically designed to identify people. Just ask your survey questions. So I'll start by adding a rating scale and ask some general questions about employee satisfaction. Then I'll add another rating scale to the form with more specific workplace statements the employee can either agree or disagree with. Then I'll add some open-ended questions that the employee can respond to however they choose. After you add all of your questions, you'll want to tell respondents that their answers are anonymous. So go to the top of your form and add a content field. Here you can let people know that the survey is completely anonymous. One thing to note is that if a respondent already has a Cognito Forms account and is logged in when they submit your form, identifying information like their name and email address will automatically be recorded in the entry's activity log, regardless of what fields are on your form. So this is also a good area to ask respondents to log out of Cognito Forms if they have an account. Most survey respondents won't have one, but it is worth mentioning. Now you'll want to check your settings. You'll click on the Workflow tab and then expand the section under Public Links. Cognito Forms provides different options to verify the identity of users, so you'll want to make sure that these options are disabled. For an anonymous survey, make sure that Require Authentication is set to Never. One last thing to be aware of is your email settings. When you create a new form, the organization administrator is automatically sent an email every time the form is submitted. So if you're planning to receive a lot of survey submissions, you might want to delete this email. At this point, you're done creating your survey and it's time to test it just to make sure that everything works the way that you intended. All you have to do is save your form, then go to the Publish tab to copy your public link. Next, you'll want to log out of your account and then paste that link into your browser and then just fill out the form normally. Remember, the reason that you logged out of your account is so that you can submit the survey in a truly anonymous way. After submitting the survey, you can log back in and view your test submission in the Entries section. You'll click on it and then open the activity log. If the submission is anonymous, the activity log will mark the entry as public. If everything looks good, you can delete your test entry so that you don't accidentally skew your survey results. Now you can share that public link directly with respondents via email, Slack, your website, or any other channel. That's all I'm going to cover in this video, but if you'd like to learn how to make your survey more dynamic, you can check out the video linked above. It walks you through how to add conditional logic to your form so that your form can adapt based on each person's answers. And if you'd like to know more about what Cognito Forms can do in general, you'll find a link to our website in the description below. And if you have any questions or need help getting your form set up, you can always reach us directly by submitting a support request.